Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. On Monday, I talked briefly about creating an audio visualizer to help create some added value for your projects. Today, I wanted to create a short video that goes step by step over my process for creating an audio viz. The first thing you're going to want to do is create your graphic in Photoshop. You can set the aspect ratio of your project to whatever you'd like, but in my experience, you should base this off of the platform that you want to publish to. 16:9 for Facebook, 1:1 for Instagram, etc. You want your graphic to pop. If it's an interview, then you should ask your subject for a nice headshot. Try to incorporate aspects of what you're discussing in your graphic. If it's about a location, try to use a photo of that location. In my example, I'm going to use a photo of Stony Brook, and my demonstration will be about the university's response to COVID-19. So for this example, I sourced a photo of the university, a logo, and a PNG image of the virus. I made my canvas a 1:1 square because I like using that for Instagram. You want to save it as a Photoshop document. There's no need to export your graphic yet because of Adobe's compatibility between programs. Next, we're going to fire up After Effects and make a new composition that's the same dimensions as our Photoshop project. So in my case, that's 1080 by 1080. Also, make sure your composition is long enough for your audio. In my case, I'm going to leave it at the default 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to drag that PSD that I saved from Photoshop into my File menu in After Effects. I'm going to place it on my composition, and I'm also going to drag in my audio. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use a song that I downloaded from one of my copyright-free music subscriptions. Now, to apply the effect, we're going to have to add a new solid to the composition and place it on top of everything. Then, while having the solid selected, go to the effect bar up top and go to Generate Audio Spectrum. You can also use an audio waveform, but for me, I prefer the look of the audio spectrum. Now, scroll down to where it says Audio Layer and select the audio clip you'd like the effect to be linked to. Now your effect is pretty much done. You can tweak the color, height, thickness, and other aesthetics in the effect control panel to get the look that you like. Now, to export the clip, I like to use Adobe Premiere. You can do it through After Effects, but AE exports tend to be huge, even for simple videos. In Premiere, I create a new project, and I brought in my After Effects save file into my project. Then, right-click it and select New Sequence from Clip. It will make a new project timeline with the same dimensions as the AE file. Now go to Export and select your destination. You can also reduce the video bitrate to make the video easier to upload to the web. Now you're done. After the export, you can enjoy your awesome new audio visualization. I hope this tutorial helps you guys a little bit. And remember, if there's anything you'd like me to go over, feel free to email me. Remember, I'm here to help.